2015 Ford F-150 Coyote 5.0. What we got done on it for you guys, factory converter there. Then we kept the factory resonator right there. Then he brought his own muffler, MBRP. We installed it for him. Had to add him a sleeve. Then 3-inch pipe out the back and welded his own tip that came with the system. Little 4-inch tip right there, as you guys can see. There's the factory muffler that was on it, right there. So we'll see if we can get you guys some part numbers on that kit and get it and put it on a link in the description for it. Like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. The Snap-on guy, just chilling. You gonna do a burnout? What can you do? Yeah. It's not too much. Here's sound decibels. So if we take the resonator out, it'll be like 105. Go ahead and back it up. Let you guys hear on the inside.